going to talk about Ketu's transit for Aries. For Aries, Ketu is in your 12th house. 12th house is a house of expenditure, house of loss, house of bedroom. May I say, 12th house represents bedroom happiness in the marriage. 12th house is a house of debts as well. Aries, Ketu is in your 12th house. So Aries, you'll go through a lot of health issues, insecurities. Sometime during the Gochar transit, Ketu is in the 12th house, especially period-wise since July 2014 till January 2016, Ketu's transit in 12th house. You will face crisis situation, challenging situation and health issues. Aries, health-wise, you have to be very careful about your eyesight. Sometimes peace of mind can be all over the place. You'll be able to focus yourself. Then there will be a financial gain and professional prosperity. But the condition is you have to focus yourself. Your ability will be recognized and appreciated. You might travel around. But Aries, your own people will behave with you in a most strange way. Your own people can backstab you. Your expenditure can be quite high. You'll participate in a lot of social tasks, religious events. There will be a rise in your expenditure. You'll travel around. At the same time, you'll face many challenges, complications regarding marriage, relationship. There will be a few domestic situations. You have to deal with passion, understanding, care, lot of affection. Aries, you have to be a good listener. You'll be able to establish your position in the society. You'll be able to establish your unique position in your personal life as well. You might have few issues regarding completion of your education, especially Aries, if you are a student. Your education can be incomplete. You have to invest a lot of discipline. Aries, if you're a student, you have to be a lot of focused. You have to invest a lot of focus and discipline in your studies. Regarding tasks for Aries, regarding Ketu's transit, first thing first, Aries, do lots of Ganpati Upasana. I am going to share you a very fine chanting. We call it Uchist Navaran Mantra chanting. So this is a chanting. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. Try to do this chanting 1 hour a day if you can, and carry on doing this chanting for 240 days if you can. In the end of this particular chanting, like if you can achieve 240 hours of chanting, then please do organize Uchist Ganpati Prayog with the help of this chanting. The procedure is very simple. You have to organize Havan. Say in the same chanting and put Ahuti, food, in Agni. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. This particular prayog can bring you dignified success, prosperity, but you have to do it a lot, where your mind, body and soul can concentrate. Second task for Aries regarding Ketu's Gochar. Try to keep a black color or brown color dog. Time to time do organize Uchist Ganpati Prayog. If you can repeat more than once between July 2014 till January 2016, then this particular prayog can help you a lot, especially if you're going through a lot of issues, scenarios, situations professionally or financially or personally. Thanks for watching my Ketu's transit for each and every sign as well as Ketu's elementary information in Indian astrology. If you are new to my channel, Prakash Astrologer, then please do subscribe for more contents including monthly horoscope, 2015's yearly horoscopes. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments, suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me a comment below. I'll be more than happy to respond. But at the same time, I'd like to request you, try to become a subscriber. If you become a subscriber, then you can claim a free consultation, introductory consultation for yourself and for your whole family. If you make your whole family subscriber, then whole family can take a free consultation, introductory consultation from me. I'll be more than happy to take care of you and share with a lot of astrological information with you. You have any suggestions about our program or you have any questions about yourself regarding your consultation questions, why don't you become a subscriber and send me an email, info@prakashastrologer.com. Please do become subscriber, then send me an email. I'll be more than happy to entertain you or offer you a private consultation or introductory consultation for yourself and the whole family. If the whole family can become a subscriber, I can take care of the whole family. So first become a subscriber, send me an email. I'm looking forward for your email. I'll be back with a lot more contents. Take care. Bye-bye.